This is the fourth video of this EOC practice test 1 part 2. So we're going to finish off 28, 29, and 30. So the way we did 28 is I would graph this y equals 2x plus 1 by slope-intercept form. Now you can graph any way you want. Graph with the table, put 1 in for x, 2 in for x, 3 in for x. You can do it that way. But when I see a slope-intercept form, I graph the slope or the y-intercept first, right there, and then I go up 2 and right 1 for that line, and draw the line. That's that line. Then this line is in red. This is the red line right here. So the way I would graph this one is I would do a table because it's in standard form. So I'd put 0 in for x, would cross this out, and I have negative 6y equals negative 24 here, solved by dividing by negative 6, and I get 4. So I graph 0, 4 right there. Then I would put 0 in for y, which would drop this out, and I'd solve the equation 3x equals negative 24 here, divide by 3, and get x equals negative 8. So my point is negative 8, 0 there. I draw that. My intersection is right there, which is 2 to the right, 5 up. That's the point 2, 5, and that is your solution. That makes both of these equations true. And that's how you would do 28. All right, I'm going to stop that. All right, so 29. So the first thing we had to do is find the mean of the freshman year, which is 43, 258 divided by 6. The median, or the mean of sophomore is 246 divided by 6 is 41. That was 43. So the mean for her freshman year is 2 more the mean of her sophomore year. The median of her freshman year, we lined all these up in order. We got the middle was 42.5. The middle of these in her sophomore year is 40.5. Subtract the 2 and you get 2. 2 more than her sophomore year. So the interquartile range is the same in both sets of data, because anytime you add something to a set of data, it doesn't change the interquartile range. All right, quick video on number 30. So Jennifer kicking a ball, there's your equation. This is what it really looks like. Negative 15t squares plus 30t plus 0, because you start out at 0. She kicks the ball up in the air and it hits the ground. How many seconds does it hit the ground? Well, in order to figure out the time, you got to know the zeros. 0, 0, and whatever this is. To find that, you have to factor that right there. So that factors in the 15t times the quantity 2 minus t, because there's a 2 left and a t left. Then if you set these two equal to 0, you can find your 2 times. 15t equals 0, t equals 0. That's how you get 0, 0. 2 minus t equals 0, subtract 2, divide by negative 1, you get 2. So 2 seconds is how long that ball, and we just looked up how long a football would be if a good punter, NFL punter, had about 4 seconds is a really good punt. All right, that's that one, and we're done with that video, and I'm done with the